Hello everyone, it's Jay here from JJ Lux. Thank you for watching my previous videos and liking and subscribing and even commenting on my last videos. It means a great much to me, and hopefully I'll be getting videos out every single week, whether it's once or twice a week. I'm going to try my best to get some videos out more often of unboxings, reviews, comparisons and everything. Today I have here Louis Vuitton unboxing. I got this actually in the post 2 days ago. I couldn't wait, so I had to just open it. I was pretty excited to get this. It's been on my wish list for nearly about a good year or so, but it's really hard to find. So I was pretty much stoked when I got my mini Palm Springs mini backpack and also this item here. I did call them up on their number, and they told me that it was available in Harrods. There was availability of one. I did tell the SA, I was like, is there any way you can call and find out if it's available or not, or, you know, am I going to go there for no reason? She said she wasn't able to get through to them, so I said, you know what, I'll just leave it. It's not my time at the moment to get the bag. Then she actually said, well, I have a list open where it's exclusive and we only open it like once in a blue moon and we could put your name on it. And I was like, okay, well, do I need to make the payment up, or would I need to pay when I get it if I do get it? She actually said no, you pay straight away and it gets shipped to you within 2 weeks. So I said, let's do that then. Saves me having to go out and go and get it and waste my time. So let's get into the unboxing. I did take out the brown package, which is just lying down there. I did have a little glimpse at it, but not a full open everything and the zips and everything. So here we go. So it comes in the magnetic box per usual, like that. And then it comes with the famous orange receipt. Inside of it, down there, they give you a spare like little letter where you can write something if it's gifted to someone. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Exchange and returns, I believe this is 30 days of reception, so within 30 days, or refunds 14 days, and then exchanges is 30 days. And then this is the actual copy itself. It doesn't give you the price on it, although I know I paid 1,030, I believe, for this. So what's this? This is the care booklet. Let's get rid of the box, and this is what everyone's here to see in the dust bag. So if you can take a guess and comment before I take it out, then let's see if you're right or you're wrong. It is the Bumbag, and it is brand new. It even has the plastic still on the tabs over here and at the back as well. So I've been wanting to get this for such a long time, and believe me, I've seen it everywhere and it's just hard to get your hands on it. So it's got a long zipper from left to right, you can open it both ways, and it stuffed mine with some stuff in there. Coated fabrics, the textile. So inside there's no pocket inside, and it's got like fabric interior. Just find out. As you can see, then it's got the. My one is made in France, so I'm pretty much happy about that. And then the gold famous zip, which is actually really smooth. It's really smoother than the Palm Spring Mini. It's got the Vachetta printing over here, and I never know what this tab is for. I think I got one on my palm spring mini. Apparently it's for a scarf. I'm not sure how I'll get a scarf in there, or maybe hooked onto that, I'm not sure. So the vachetta is lovely, and it smells nice as well. You've got the gold hardware over here as well. I believe the vachetta is going to turn maybe like a nice orange. I'm hoping so. With my toiletry over here, I haven't used it, but as you can see, I think it might show up in the lighting or not, but it's actually turned darker and it's actually really, really nice. The patina's really nice on it. So, and it has a zip at the back as well for easy access, just in case you want to put your phone in there, your passport or whatever that is you want to. But it's quite deep as well. I mean, if I got my phone here, I got the Samsung and it fits perfectly in there, in and out. So I am really pleased with that. And then just noticed that this, you can hide the zip with that, so that's a pretty neat feature as well. There you go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this out away from the sun and just let the air get to the vachetta and just maybe let it, you know, get protective film in itself, because it is really, really nice and I don't want to damage it by giving it you know, a funky orange or an uneven orange on the vachetta. So let's put the text on. I don't know about me, but I always keep this inside. I never really throw it away. So yeah, it's actually really, really nice. I will put some mod shots in later of me wearing it, or some photos, so you lot can get a glimpse of it and see how it is. Yeah, it's actually really nice. It is quite big as well. I did think it wasn't gonna go down this much, like have that sort of angle, for it would be more curved, but it sits really, really nice as well. So I am really happy with this purchase. This is like one of the pieces that I really wanted, and I managed to get it, which I was pretty surprised, because 2019 with this piece, it was a great start actually. So if you want to watch any of my other videos, just click on the titles above and below. Got plenty more videos coming soon as well. Remember to like and subscribe on this video, and remember to leave a comment as well. Thank you.